Alright, I'm back with some more sketching. I am going to try my best to do more than one, so I might speed this up a little bit in parts, but I'm also going to just try to wing it and go full on ink without using pencil. Alright, here we go. First up, got this old lady. This might be a little exaggerated in spots too, but that's cool. It's kind of fun. Got the big nose and some pretty large ears. Just trying to be pretty relaxed with it, you know? I like these glasses. Weird looking nostril too. The best part about these nibs is you can just flip it over and get almost what feels like a brush pen out of it, you know? Nice bold lines. I don't know, that other pen I was using just doesn't just doesn't work. I don't know what I did to it or if it's just a crummy pen, but I ordered another one. It's a Pilot something. According to the internet, it's pretty good, so we'll see. Don't know if I want to give up this one though. Just have to play it by ear. Get it? 'Cause I'm drawing an ear? No. Dad jokes, sorry. Feeling pretty good about this so far, just inking it. You know, I'm going slow, taking my time, but hang on, I got a cord in the way. There we go. So I feel like my ink wash has been a little too dark, so I've diluted it now to 50-50 ink and water. I think the biggest problem is it's like it doesn't mix well. And that's probably my fault because I'm using this like permanent or waterproof ink. So I'm gonna try to shake it up really good. See if I can get it to work the way I want it to. So, this eye is very recessed. It's interesting. You can see just the whole skull on this person. I'll some of that stuff with the glasses once I come back in with the white. Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. I think I might stop there with the ink for a smell. Hold on. Could use a couple more wrinkles maybe in here too with the ink actually. Before I hit the wash. Just adding in some little spots and stuff here. Cool. Alright, I like that. No, I don't. Hold on. Add a little bit more meat there. Neck meat. Cool. I'm really liking the chin shape here. So I'm really happy about that. I think this is like a good amount of character. You know, it's not super accurate to life, but it kind of makes it more fun, which is what I eventually would like to be kind of second nature with the things that I sketch. I spent a lot of time making things look real, trying to emulate realism, and I think it takes another step or evolution to figure out how to stylize things. All right, I added more water in here. I think it's helping. So I basically have this water brush and I have 2 milliliters of ink. The rest is water. At one point I was just like randomly filling it up and like guessing. But then I just started using like a syringe you would take medicine with, so like from the pharmacy or like a Walgreens or something. I'd fill that with ink so I can keep track and measure it and try to get the right amount that I like. Because when I have to go refill it, I don't want it to be completely different if I can help it. Cover that. Pop in some whites and then we're good. On to the next one. Right here. think we're done. Calling it for today. Granny. Backwards hat dude. All right. Until the next one. Later.